Video, I'm going to share you one of our YouTube subscriber shared his interview experience. So he has recently attended the interview as a fresher. So he had attended the interview with the Infosys recently. He shared his interview experience and also he shared some programming entry questions. Therefore, I thought that these programming entry questions might be helpful who are or who are attending as a fresher for TCS company, Infosys, Accenture, okay, and HCL. These are the common programming entry questions to check your coding skills. The candidate has shared 5 programming entry questions. In fact, the candidate technical background is he trained in Python programming. So during the interview, the entry panel is asked, you can write the you can write the logic by using any programming language, either C++, Java, or Python. So actually, in fact, the candidate has already trained in Python programming. Therefore, he written the logic by using Python programming. So let me show you what are those Python programs. So let me explain 2 programs out of 5 programs. Python. If you want these 5 Python programs, then please comment in the comment box. I will share to your mail IDs. Okay. So here, let me explain one program here. So the first program is like write a Python program to unlock mobile password. That means if you entered wrong password, then the mobile should not open. If we entered right password, the mobile should be unlocked. That is the concept. Okay. So here I have declared password is called by Lucky sir. Okay, and here we are trying to enter any password using input function. In this line, in this statement, whatever you entered password, that will be stored into in this variable. Okay, and then after that we used while loop value, whatever the password you have given, that is stored in this one. Okay, and here password, already declared this password, already defined this password. If password is matched, then it won't execute this statement. Then directly jump into the else part. The phone has unlocked. It will display the message phone has unlocked. Suppose if you entered password is not matching already defined password, already set password, then it will ask again enter password. The loop will continue till matching password. That is the main functionality of this program. The loop will continue until matching the password. Okay, once password is matched, then it will come out from the loop and the else part will execute. Okay, I hope you understand. See guys, how the companies are checking the coding skills from the candidates. Okay, so this is one of the program. Okay, next one we'll see one more program. So, and the next program, the entry panel has asked related to above program, like can you write a program to generate random passwords? Okay, for that he has written the code like this. Okay, he used import random. Okay, and then the password must be allow lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, numeric numbers, and symbols. Okay, so he defined all these things and then appended all the things, and all are stored in this variable, all variable. The password size should be 14 characters, max is 14, not more than that. Okay, and then here he written a password, and here by using joins concept, joins method. So this method will concatenate any number of strings. Why you are using this join method, to concatenate any number of strings. And then we are using random dot sample, and we are passing 2 arguments here, all and length, and then we are printing the password. So let me check the output, how it will show. Yeah, just simply type the python first dot py and see. So the randomly generated one password. Let us try one more time. See how it generating randomly. Okay, it's not same password, it's generating randomly passwords. So this is one of the most asked for Python program in interview for freshers as well as some experienced candidates as well. And one more program that is nothing but how to remove duplicate characters in the given string. Suppose if you give any string, if you find any duplicate in that string, then this program should remove duplicate characters. For that, it has written code like program first accepting the any string using input function, and that will store into string input variable. Next, we are taking one more variable. We are just giving space result string. After that, using for loop. Okay, the string, whatever the string you entered, that will store in this variable, and that will jump into the character. Okay, if character not in result string, and we are using a result string equal to result string plus character, that will automatically remove the duplicate characters, and we are printing the string. We are printing the final output, final result string. So this is the let us check what is the output of this program. Okay, just enter a string like a hello. Okay, so here one duplicate character is there, L. Let's check. See here, string is after removing duplicate. So this is the final output. String is after removing. Actually, HELLO is the input string. So after removing duplicate character, this is the exact output. The next program is entry panel last flow. Can you write the program to find the largest number in the list? Okay. So here, so immediately he written the code like this, list of numbers. So he passes some values. So in this list, you have to find the second largest number. So for that he used sort method. He tried to sort those values. So after sorting the values, he has given simply method list one. This list of one minus two. That means after sorting the array. That means after sorting the values. That means 4 will come first, and then 10, and then 45, and then 99. Okay, and it will find the second largest is 88. Let us check the output of this program. See here, first by using print list one, after sorting, see the values. After sorting, see the list values. Okay, so after sorting, is to find the second largest number, second largest element by using this method, list one colon list of minus 2. So the index size is given minus 2. Okay, so the second largest element is 88. So after successfully completion of that program, entry panel asks one more program like to print the pattern like this. To print the pattern like below. So the candidate has written the code by using inner for loop and outer for loop. Okay. So after that, one more program I asked like a Python program to print odd characters. Okay, you have to print the odd character. So this is the program for that one. Now we'll see the output of this program. Okay, entered a string by Lucky Sir. Entered a string by Lucky Sir. See the odd characters are B first one, and then L, and then C, and then I. 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, like that. It will print the output. Friends, if you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to share to your friends also. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.